Hi, I'm Frederick, the founder of IFA Legal Services and author of the book, After Conviction, What You Can Do Before Your Lawyer is Appointed. This book was especially designed for the numerous women and men currently incarcerated in state prisons across the country. This book is designed to help the wrongly convicted to better navigate the post-conviction procedure in their individual states. I'd like to talk to you today about another resource. This resource is called the Conviction Integrity Unit. These new units are being formed across in many jurisdictions across the country. Under state law, the prosecuting attorney is given the authority to request that a questionable conviction and/or sentence be reviewed and set aside by the court. In Missouri, this authority is granted up under Chapter 547, Section 031 of the Missouri Revised Statutes. Here in Kansas City, Missouri, the prosecuting attorney, Gene Peters Baker, headed up a team that challenged the conviction of Kevin Strickland, which resulted in his exoneration after several decades of being wrongly convicted and detained. The procedures granted to the prosecuting attorney are similar to those given to the prisoner who must file on his own. There are, of course, some major differences. One is that the prosecuting attorney can file a petition to the court at any time. The post-conviction or wrongly convicted person is given a conditional time limit in most jurisdictions. Secondly, the court must grant a hearing. Many times, when a pro se litigant files a post-conviction petition, a hearing is not granted. And more importantly, the court must issue its finding of facts and conclusions of law on each issue raised. That does not happen in a lot of pro se petitions. The court just summarily denies and doesn't give any reason for the denial. Many times, people have to work on their own cases without the appointment of counsel or any type of qualified legal assistance. If the family is unable to hire a lawyer, or they're unable to properly present a case to an Innocence Project in their particular jurisdiction, and now unable to present their case to a conviction integrity unit, then the person who has been wrongly convicted must languish in prison many, many more years. And hopefully, when they file their petition, they raise claims that are cognizable post-convictionally. So if you have someone, a loved one, who is currently incarcerated, who you believe was wrongly convicted, and you'd like to help them to challenge and maybe get corrected the wrongful conviction they're suffering, I suggest you order them a copy of this book in order for them to help themselves and to better help the lawyer help them. For short of God's intervention, knowledge is our best defense against injustice.